Have you been making eko the hard way? What if I told you there is a faster method that gives you the same smooth, perfect result every time? Today, I'm showing you how to make authentic Nigerian eko, also called Agidi, using frozen pap. And trust me, this beginner-friendly method will change your life. Let me show you exactly how. The first thing I did was bring out my frozen pap from the freezer. This needs to defrost before we can use it. Now, if you don't have pap already, don't worry, I have a complete video showing you how to make and preserve pap from scratch. I will drop the link in the description box and at the top right corner. Make sure you check it out because having frozen pap on hand makes cooking so much easier. While the pap is defrosting, let's get our water boiling. I turned on my gas stove, placed the pot on it and added 1 cup of water. Now, an important tip here is the amount of water you use depends on how much pap you are working with. Our goal right now is simply to get this water to a rolling boil, so let's leave that and prepare our pap slurry. By now, the pap has defrosted nicely. I'm going to remove it from the nylon and place it in a bowl. Then I'll add some water and use my hand to break it down into a smooth slurry. This is really important. We don't want lumps at all. The consistency should just be right, not too thick and not too watery. Take your time with this step because a smooth slurry means smooth eko with no lumps. Perfect. Our water is now boiling. Here is where the magic happens. Reduce your heat to the lowest setting. Now with one hand, pour in your pap slurry gently and slowly. With your other hand, keep stirring continuously with your spatula. This is crucial. Don't stop stirring. This constant stirring is what prevents lumps from forming. Keep stirring as it thickens. You will notice it's getting thicker and more incorporated. If you feel it's becoming too thick for your liking, you can add a little bit of hot water to loosen it up. But honestly, I didn't need to add more water because the consistency was perfect for me. Now continue stirring at intervals and you can increase the heat slightly at this point. This process takes about 15 minutes, so you have to be patient. Good eko is worth the wait actually. You will know it's getting close when it becomes glossy and pulls away from the sides of the pot. To be absolutely sure it's ready, I'm doing the cold water test. Watch this carefully because this is how you know your eko is perfect. I scooped some of the mixture with a spoon and drop it into a bowl of cold water. If it holds its shape without scattering, your eko is ready. But if it falls apart or scatters in the water, you need to keep cooking and stirring. As you can see, mine formed perfectly. It is ready. The next step is portioning the eko and letting it set. I'm using small stainless steel or aluminium steel containers for mine. Traditionally, we Yoruba people use a way to portion our eko, which has a beautiful aroma. Some people use nylon, but I don't recommend that because when the eko is hot, the nylon can release harmful toxins in your food. So stick with food-safe containers or leaves. After portioning, I covered each container with its lid. Now this needs to sit and harden for about 5 hours. You can also leave them overnight if you prefer. That works perfectly too. And here we are, 5 hours later. Our eko is perfectly set and ready to enjoy. Look at how smooth and firm it is. You can serve this with akara, moi moi, ekuru or any Nigerian soup, even pepper soup. My favorite, breaking it up with a spoon, adding milk, sugar with a little water. It is absolutely delicious and brings back childhood memories. If you enjoyed learning this easier method for making eko, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I share beginner-friendly Nigerian recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.